Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to Twoloosebricks. And here is what came in the mail this morning.
Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for future uploads. Ready? Let's go!
Okay, so a few weeks ago we had the problem of the bogies, the 4 bogies on the wheels were mismolded. So we ordered the new ones and some other broken parts that was up inside the tower part here. The brown just was disintegrating, so they replaced that and these. So hopefully that is what is in this parcel, because it says spare parts, so I'm taking it to mind that that's what it is. So as you can see in the bogies here, I had whatever I had kicking around and I just used them for that. So let's get to the replacement. So we're going to replace these bogies on that car there. So let's crack this envelope open and see what we got. Okay, that's the envelope. And a letter saying blah 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 blah. Sorry for, you know, your parts. Something wrong. Okay, so here we go. So 4 new bogies and 4 new brown plates, 2x6s, because they were cracking right at the edge here. The whole ends were cracked off. So okay, so this bogie looks good. This one looks good. This one looks good, and this one looks good. Now the way to try it is to put your plate in between it, and if the plate fits down in it, then it's going to fit. You know, it's going to work. So, and it's not mismolded. So far, so good. Yep, all are good. So we can now replace these ones here with those ones there. So let's get to it.
Hey, if you want to see more of my LEGO theme park or do-it-yourself tips and tricks, check out my other videos.